Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will be explaining you the difference between the appointment component and the Google appointment component. So as you have seen on your platform itself that you are able to see this Google appointment component, the appointment component. Let's discuss each of them one by one. First, let's discuss about this appointment component. What's the main perspective of this, when to use this, when you should not use this. So first thing is this appointment component is available on all the chatbots that we have. It is not any channel specific. Your main perspective is just to create an event. You must be using this particular component, and you can also set the time slots. And in case of this particular component, you have multiple options like SimplyBook, GoHighLevel. These are the integrations that are available, and you can use this across multiple chatbots. For example, website, WhatsApp, Instagram. You will be able to get this appointment component there. Now, let's talk about the Google appointment component. Your use case is that you want that customer can reschedule, cancel, or create event. So you can use this particular component. So how to use this particular component? We already have a dedicated video for the same. You can check the same in the description box below. So just to understand, this particular component is only available in the WhatsApp as of now, and this is channel specific. And in case if your use case is more advanced, you can go for this component. And if your use case is just to create an event, you can go for the appointment component. So this is the common difference that we have for these two components. In case if you have any doubts which component to choose, which component not to use, just try these two components out first, and in case whichever suits you best, you can use that component. And if you're still left with any question, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.